Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return step by step. First, collect all your essential financial documents, including W-2 forms from employers and 1099 forms for other income. Next, decide on your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household. Finally, you'll need to choose between taking the standard deduction or itemizing your specific deductions to reduce your taxable income. Once your documents are ready, calculate your total gross income from all sources, including wages, interest, and dividends. Then, subtract any eligible deductions like student loan interest or IRA contributions to determine your adjusted gross income. This figure is crucial for many tax calculations. Finally, apply any tax credits you qualify for, such as the child tax credit, which directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Now it's time to accurately complete your tax forms, such as Form 1040, ensuring all sections are filled out correctly. Take your time to double-check every entry for any mathematical errors or missing information, as even small mistakes can cause delays. Make sure all necessary schedules and attachments, like Schedule for itemized deductions, are properly included with your main return. After reviewing everything, choose your preferred filing method. You can e-file for a faster process and quicker refunds, or mail a paper return if you prefer. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to avoid any penalties or interest charges. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. If you are due a refund, decide how you'd like to receive it, typically via direct deposit or a check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.